Pocket Option 1-minute trading strategy. Pocket Option is a popular binary options trading platform, and 1-minute 60-second trading is a fast-paced strategy that requires precision, discipline, and a solid approach. Below are some effective strategies to improve your success rate. 1. 1-minute trend following strategy. Best for trending markets. Steps. 1. Identify the trend. Use a 1-minute chart and add a 200 EMA exponential moving average. Price above the EMA uptrend. Price below the EMA downtrend. 2. Confirm with a momentum indicator, add Stochastic RSI 14.3 or MACD. If Stochastic RSI is above 80, avoid buying overbought. If below 20, avoid selling oversold. 3. Enter the trade. Call buy, when price pulls back near the EMA and Stochastic RSI crosses up. Put sell, when price pulls back near the EMA and Stochastic RSI crosses down. 4. Expiry time, 60 seconds. 2. 1-minute support resistance breakout strategy. Best for volatile markets. Steps. 1. Draw key levels, identify support resistance zones on the 1-minute chart. 2. Wait for a breakout. Price breaks above resistance, potential buy opportunity. Price breaks below support, potential sell opportunity. 3. Confirm with volume or RSI. If RSI is above 50 and increasing, a breakout may be strong. Higher volume confirms breakout strength. 4. Enter the trade. Call buy, if price breaks resistance with momentum. Put sell, if price breaks support with momentum. 5. Expiry time, 60 seconds. 3. 1-minute candlestick pattern strategy. Best for reversal points. Steps. 1. Look for reversal candlestick patterns. Bullish reversal, pin bar, hammer, engulfing buy signal. Bearish reversal, shooting star, bearish engulfing sell signal. 2. Confirm with RSI 14. If RSI is near 30 and turning up, bullish reversal. If RSI is near 70 and turning down, bearish reversal. 3. Enter the trade. Call buy, after a bullish reversal pattern at support. Put sell, after a bearish reversal pattern at resistance. 4. Expiry time, 60 seconds. Risk management tips for 1-minute trading. Risk per trade, only risk 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. Avoid overtrading, 3 to 5 quality trades per session are better than 20 impulsive ones. Trade only during high liquidity hours. Best times, London-New York sessions overlap 8 AM to 12 PM EST. Use a demo account first, test your strategy before trading real money.
Thanks for watching.